Para sa mga nagtatanong kung dumating na yung package ko from Amazon, yes, dumating na siya and no, wala akong binayarang tax. Sakto siya sa estimated delivery date na October 24, pero kung titingnan nyo, nung October 18 pa siya dito sa Philippines. And nasa Antipolo Delivery Hub lang siya nung October 19. So maybe may mga pinprioritize yung Ninja Van na parcel na nauna. But just to give you an insight, yung kawork ko na bumili naman ng SSD, ang estimated delivery niya rin is October 24, pero October 20 niya na-receive yung parcel niya. Nalaman ko na nung 2016, according to Yugatech, dun binago ng Bureau of Customs yung dutiable value from 10 pesos to 10,000. So yeah, I guess it's safe to buy items from Amazon, and for more details on how to get free shipping, check nyo na lang yung amazon.com. Pero around $49 and above yung kailangan nyo bilhin, and check nyo kung ano yung restrictions na ina-apply nila. Stay tuned for my next content on how to buy via GCash or Maya sa Amazon. Or if kung gusto nyo mag-apply ng credit card tulad ng ginamit ko for your Amazon shopping, you can apply for the Union Bank Rewards credit card through this link, bit.ly/alfreds_chapters.